Hello guys, this is the Awesome Tuber. In the previous video we've talked about how to use Ethernet on your smartphone, and today we are going to be talking about some of the hardware and software compatibility before you invest in such thing. And we are going to talk about if it will work on your smartphone, in your current smartphone, or maybe if you need to buy a new one or something like that. So first thing that you really need to make sure that your phone runs on Ethernet is, first thing that you're going to do is actually go into the settings and search for Ethernet. That's the first thing that you're going to do. Let me just search Ethernet. Now there you go. Now I have two options there. First is Ethernet and the second one is Ethernet tethering. Now a lot of people might not have Ethernet option, direct Ethernet option like this, which I have right there because it's a Samsung phone. So Samsung phone have direct Ethernet option, but the newer phones does not. So they only have this option, which is Ethernet tethering, which I cannot enable right now. Anyway, so if you do not have this option, don't worry. If you have Ethernet tethering, that means your phone will work, but you have to make sure that it works. Let me just show you. Let's say I'm gonna give you some of the scenarios like Realme and Oppo. These two phones need to go into setting and turn on the OTG, and then you can run Ethernet on them. So this is the first thing. And on the other smartphone, if you just have Ethernet tethering option in the settings like this, it will run automatically. Now to make sure it will work, let me just give you another option or example. To make sure that the OTG functionality of your smartphone is enabled, it should be enabled, otherwise this won't work. So if you do not have an Ethernet adapter right now, what you have to do is just check, what do you call that? Yeah, you have to connect a wired mouse or a keyboard to your smartphone, and if the light glows on that mouse or the keyboard works, so that means the OTG is enabled. And then the second thing is the software compatibility. So if you are on Samsung ecosystem, then if you have Android 9 or higher, then this function will work. Now if you are on other system, let's say Realme, Redmi, Xiaomi, and let's say even Apple, actually iPhone, the newer iPhones 14 and higher versions are actually supporting Ethernet right now. So yeah, those will also work. And yeah, let's say, yeah, on your normal smartphone, let's say you are running on stock Android, let's say Motorola or something like Google Pixel, these type of smartphones that are running on stock ROM, you need Android 11 or higher. Actually, the higher the better. So you can make sure that yes, the Ethernet adapter will work. Now there are a few quirks about this before you say like, yeah, my phone will work, but almost 99% newer smartphone will support this functionality, by the way, so you don't really have to worry too much. But if you have older smartphone, let's say I have a Redmi Note 4 which does not support Ethernet functionality at all, so even though it has OTG functionality. So these are a few things that you have to consider before buying or investing in such Ethernet, or maybe using Ethernet on your smartphone. So as you can see right now, I am using Ethernet on my phone, as you can see. So actually this is pretty convenient to use Ethernet on your smartphone. I mean, because the scenarios why would you use Ethernet on your smartphone could be pretty different. Like maybe you have bad Wi-Fi connections and you have pretty, not that good Wi-Fi. So in those conditions, I think using Ethernet on your smartphone is pretty good. But other than that, it's not that much favorable. I mean, the experience that you get on a laptop or a desktop is much better. I mean, it's fast. I mean, you will get, like, this is a gigabit Ethernet adapter, but it works great on 40 to 50 Mbps speeds, and I get almost full speeds there, so I have no problem with this one. But I mean, it's a pretty great thing. I mean, you can use Ethernet on your smartphone, so yeah, definitely. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about which Ethernet adapter you're going to need in your smartphone to use, because there are so many options and there are so much, people talking about this chipset and that chipset. So we're going to clear that up. So like this video if you like this video, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later. Bye.